Hello ladies, today we have a sari material. It's my favorite material. Sari materials are the most beautiful materials I saw in my life. Okay, there are different type of materials in sari, like this one is a satin. So I would like to tell you that every sari is having this ending, beautiful like a shawl, which they put at the end on the side, you know, and it's looking different, and the whole material is having some added design. We are going to use the whole sari, and we are going to try to make a regular dress from the sari, which you can use wherever you go, for any reception in the evening. It's very simple to tie it. It's 1 minute tying up, okay? So it's 5 meters. Usually it's 5.5 meters. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Yes, exactly 5.5 meters. At least this one is 5.5 meters. We take this corner. We make a little twist like this, and we put it in the back, bring it to the front, and make a magical knot. Try to make it nice, not too big, so it doesn't make a big bump in your back. And one way, like this, and then put opposite way. So you have a nice knot. The knot which will never be undone. Okay, here. Now twist it to the back side, and that will be your front of the dress. You can adjust it. Of course, you don't have to have a blouse. It doesn't go with the blouse, that sari. Later I take it off. Okay, now we have here this rest of material. It's a long piece. You know, it's 5.5 meters. So a lot of meters left. Here, one bit, and try to take from the other side the other bit. That when we make another magical knot. This dress consists of 2 magical knots. Here, slide on one corner and the other corner. You can make the knot at the waist, you can make a little bit up, it depends on you. And try to make a tight knot, because you don't want it to be untied at any time. Here. Yes, here it is. Yeah. So let's show you, ladies, this dress in the back now. Looks like this, and in the front looks like that. We can bring this part a little bit up. It will look, I think, more natural, more like a dress. And of course we have this part left, still a lot of material. So we are going to use it as a scarf. Very simple. You put it behind your back, bring it to the front, put your hand through one side and the other side. And your dress is absolutely ready. You're looking glamorous. You can put on one side, you can put on this side. Personally, I don't like shawl on both shoulders. I like always a little bit like this or like that, okay? The dress looks very nice on every side. So that was my proposal for you for the evening dress or cocktail dress for today. I hope you will have a lot of fun tying this dress. It's very, very simple. It's less than 1 minute, believe me, please. And have a really fantastic time. See you next time.